Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Romaneserda.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those, I would say, scam sites again, that look exactly like this. So all of those scam sites that sell women's clothing definitely look like this, guys. So as you can see, these are just AI generated images right here. As you can see, the models have all the same face. Some have different faces, but these ones are heavily edited, just like this one. This one is AI generated, and this one as well, and this one as well. So please, guys, I know they look really good, but they are made with AI. That's why it looks a bit realistic and really good, since they are made with AI. And please, guys, do not buy stuff from here, since you will get scammed by your money, from your money, since you will not receive anything at all, since these images right here and these clothes right here are edited, AI generated. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.